SPS Public School, paragraph 16. In the fourth chapter, Lord Krishna says that I give the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita first to Prathu, but slowly it was abolished. Therefore, I am giving you the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita to you. I take incarnation when the virtues are decreased and vices are increased. Lord Krishna says to save the life of saints and to kill the devils I take incarnation. Therefore, this is the duty of my devotee that he do the work and leave the result on me. His wishes not be more, so that there will be not anger in him. When the anger and lust are increased of the man, then his knowledge has become like the smoke, fire is covered, and his state is changed, and he does not know about the what is his duty and what is his religion. Therefore, my devotee should leave the result of each work on me and do the worthy doing works, virtues. He has to know what is right and what is wrong, leave the result, and there will be not ego in him that I am doer of this good work. Questions are these: who whom did Lord Krishna give knowledge of Bhagavad Gita first? Lord Krishna gave the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita to Prathu, and Prathu gave the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita to his son Ichhaku. When does God take incarnation? God take incarnation when vices are increased and virtues are decreased. What does God do then? Then God kill the devils and save the life of innocent and his devotee. What is the duty of the devotee of Lord Krishna? Duty of the devotee of Lord Krishna is that whatever he is doing, he has to leave the result on God, and he has to do the work. Any person cannot live without doing the work. Therefore, he must be the Karma Yoga. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord has said about the Karma Yoga, he has to do the work. Any person cannot live without doing the work. Chemistry: in any compound, carbon and hydrogen are 85.5% and 14.5% respectively. If the molecular mass is 70, find the molecular formula of the compound in this. Before make the table element atomic mass percentage upon atomic mass, simple ratio, carbon, hydrogen. Carbon is atomic mass carbon 12, hydrogen 1, 85.5 upon 12. This is 14.5 upon 1. Divide this C12 7.25 14.5, small number is 7.25, 85.5 upon 7.5. This is small number 7.5 upon 7.5, 7.25 upon 7.25, 14.5 upon 7.25, 1, 2. Therefore, empirical formula will be of this. C empirical formula CH2, empirical mass carbon 12 plus hydrogen 1 multiply 2 equal to 14. N equal to molecular mass upon empirical mass. Molecular mass is given 70 upon 14. 14 5 ja 70. Molecular formula equal to N empirical formula. This is 5 CH2 C2H C5H10 C5H10. This is pentene. This will be pentene C5H10. Empirical formula is CS2 and molecular formula will be C5H10. C5H10 will be the molecular formula of this compound. Do all these four questions in which carbon, oxygen and hydrogen percentage is given, molecular mass is given, find the molecular formula of all these compounds. Physics, reflection of light. When light falls in the on the smooth and plane surface, it bounce back in that medium. This is called reflection of light. In the plane mirror, when the point object is placed at vast distance, image will be point P dash. AB is object, the image will be A dash B dash. In plane mirror, convex mirror, when the object is near, then image will be between focus and center of curvature. Object is at infinity, then image will be at focus. Concave mirror, these are 6 conditions. In concave mirror, when object is between F and P, image will be enlarged behind the mirror. Object is focus, image will form infinity. Object is between F and C, image will form beyond the C. Object is at center of curvature, image will be form center of curvature. When the object is beyond the center of curvature, image will be formed between center of curvature and pole. Focus and center of curvature, image will be for last position. When the object is at infinity, image will form at the focus. When the object is going far, image is forming near the mirror. All these ray diagram of the reflection of plane mirror, convex mirror and concave mirror are given. These